Windows 8 packs quite a few features within the operating system, like reset and refresh to fix OS issues. But if you either upgrade or replace your hard drive, or if you plan to wipe and start clean, you would need a copy of the OS recovery media. The Dell Backup and Recovery application helps you create your recovery media in Windows 8. Let's see how to do this. On the Start screen, search for Dell Backup and Recovery and open the application. Click the Recovery Media tile. There are two options: Factory Backup, which creates a copy of your original factory image including the Dell installed applications and drivers, and Apps and Drivers, which include just the applications and drivers for your computer. Click Factory Backup. You can select either USB flash drive or disks and click Continue. Make sure the USB drive has sufficient space or you have enough DVDs. You cannot use CDs or any rewritable media. Insert the blank media. Click Start. If you're using a USB flash drive at this point, you will be notified that the data on the USB flash drive will be lost. Click Yes to proceed. The factory image gets created on the USB flash drive or disk. Click OK once done. You can now label and store this as a system recovery media.